San Juan Knights mga idol, parang NBA sa lopsided win na ito. 110-56 ang final score kontra sa Parañaque. Di lang tambak ito, parang binagsakan ng gera. Simula pa lang sa first quarter, umatake na agad ng 17-0 run ang San Juan Knights. Ramdam mo na agad na parang gutom sila sa panalo. At syempre, di mawawala si Dexter Maiquez. All around ang laro, scorer, rebounder, energy guy. Hindi lang siya naglaro, nag-dominate siya mga idol. Ngayon, top 3 na ang San Juan Knights sa standings. At kung sakaling mag-cruise ang landas ng Abra at San Juan Knights, solid yan. Gera ng bigatin. Tara, silipin natin kung paano nilamon ng San Juan Knights ang Parañaque at paano pinakita ni Maiquez na siya ang tunay na angkor ng team.
No handoff, he decides to pull up. San Juan Knights, and they really just love to move just below 20 assists in their first game. It's been night and day. Just like that, on the coach Alex, he went out of the bench. Ang nagtrinabaho niya, coach, hindi yan naging madali. It's been, it hasn't been brought in itong si MJ Homo. One of the guys coming out of the over. Chance here for Parañaque in transition. MJ Homo goes right at Alforque.
He's actually a legend down in the, if all of these guys would actually perform.
James Mangas with a 3, up to 5 points.
It's a very unselfish player, kind of like how he was in the Philippines. The spotlight wise, he doesn't hug that, and at the same time, binibigyan mo ng pagkakataon.
Pushing it. Soberano is free for free. Book it. I highlight this because it wasn't pretty to start the season for AC Solution. AC para dito sa San Juan.
And I love again that you brought that 3-point making, and it was because of those numbers by AC para sa kanila comparing to last season. Although they are a little bit down when it comes to total points, they're still
Saan yun, coach? As in,
high school.
High
I think
school.
he was I think second year.
na dito ni Villapando. Viloria able to recover sa Pandal. Back to Viloria.
Out of good looks. Nice pass.
Sa feed, Itza.
On that offense rather, you see him, so he was able to catch it and shoot.
Soberano continues to Ubalde and Tahonera together on the floor, screaming good. Soberano's explosion in that game against Val City. Ibibigay
That the volume attempts have come back para dito kay AC. And you're even more happier because very rarely do you see multiple dribbles. There you go.
magbababa para sa Parañaque. J-Boy, great cut inside. Allen Papak. Tahonera lobs it inside. Ubalde. Denison, one-hander, short. Umang.
Well, yung strength and conditioning coach na, si Coach Jerry ang youngest side.
Buena floor, sablay yung kanyang press.
Hanggang from the get-go, sinubukan kagad ni MJ Homo kung gaano katiba yung mga big man natin.
Ang sila, si Cuenta, ganun pa rin sila maglaro eh.
Walang one-on-one,
Oo.
walang ISO-ISO.